Hello friends, welcome back to Make Designer. Today we will see how to create the 3D model from 2D drawing. So let's start. First of all, go to new, give the path, OK, then give the name, press OK. Now let's consider this is the front view and this is side view. So first of all we will observe the drawing and see how we can make it so easily with the minimum commands. So we will choose this side view and create this L shape first. Go to sketch. As this is a side view, we will select the XZ plane and OK. So create the sketch. First of all, creator of sketch, and then we will give it the dimension. OK. This is 20. For your understanding, I am changing the background and this is light background, but it is not sufficient I think, so I will change it, preferences, and here is background, plane, and choose the plane color. OK. Now it is very much visible. So this is 20 mm. Select this dimension, 20 mm, enter, and click middle mouse button. Then this is 20 plus 32 plus 20, 72. Okay. Click this, put 72, enter. For exit, press middle mouse button and close. Okay, now this is also 20. Okay, now this is 50 mm. Put it 50, enter. So the side view is ready. Now we will extrude this sketch. Click on extrude, reverse the direction, extrude is 50 mm, put it 50 mm here, click OK. Now take the front view, press the F8 button, set the view. Now we will draw this 20 mm on this surface. We will go to sketch, select the plane, specify origin point. We will select the origin point, this, click OK. Then go to circle, draw one circle which diameter is 20 mm. Okay, now make it as point on curve and dimension it as 20 mm. Okay, close this. Now extrude. Flip the direction and change the boolean as subtract. Okay, so the hole is created. Now this slot, which looks like half circle in front view, so we will draw one sketch on this surface, and our sketch midpoint is, you can say it, origin. Okay, then draw a circle, diameter 20 mm. Click middle mouse button to exit from command. Now extrude till 20 mm. Reverse the direction, put 20 mm. Boolean is also already selected. Click on OK. Now the remaining thing is this chamfer. So we will hide first these sketches. For that I will press Ctrl W and minimize the sketches and close. Now go to chamfer, as this is 60 degree and this is 20 mm, so we will select the offset and angle and distance as a 20 mm and angle, as this is 60 degree, this remaining angle is 30 degree, so select, put 30 degree over here and select the edges, apply. Reverse the direction. Okay. So the model is ready.